Hello my dear lovely students. Assalamu alaikum and very good morning. How are you my dear lovely students? I think you all are fit and fine. I am also fine. Dear students, here is Tamanna Jeba Milestone Preparatory KG School Class 1. Dear students, here I am again to take your another math class. Yes, dear students, before starting the topic, let us brush up our previous one. Which topic we have learned yesterday? Can you say? Very good. I know you all can say because you have practiced it, right? Okay, dear students. So, yesterday we have learned regrouping, right? Yes. Regrouping. Can you say what is regrouping? Regrouping means to group again. To group again. That means in this process we will break one's position number and add it with tens position number. Again we can break tens position number and add it with one's position numbers. But the value is always same. Okay, dear students. So, yesterday we have learned how to break one's position number and add with tens position number. We also learned how to break tens position number and add it with one's position number. Am I right? Okay, so let us practice again. Okay, dear students, look here. What is the number here? 79. 79. And here I have written T and O. So, let us describe the number. 79. 9 is after ones and 7 is below of T, right? So, it means 7 tens and 9 ones. Am I right, dear students? Yes. Now, here we will break tens position number. Okay, dear students? Tens position number we will break. So, here is 7. If I write here 6 tens. 6 tens. So, how many we have less here? 1 tens. We have less here 1 tens. 1 tens mean 10. 1 tens equal to 10. Okay, so we have right here 6 tens. And 1 tens we have, right? Then we subtract from here. And here is 9 ones. So we have 9 ones, its value is 9. And we have 1 tens, that means 10. So 10 and 9 equal to 90. So we can write here 90 ones. So dear students, here we have 7 tens and 9 ones. Its value is 79. And again we regroup it with 6 tens and 19 ones. Its value is also 79. Dear students, Is it clear now? Very good. Here we have learned how to break tens position number. Okay, dear students. Now we will learn how to break ones position number. Okay, dear students. Look here what I have written. Here is, look, 6 tens and 19 ones that we have get after regrouping tens position number, right? Okay, dear students, we will do this example by breaking ones position number. So here is 19 ones. 19 ones. That means how many tens here? Here is 1 tens. That means 10 and 9. Right? So 1 tens, we have to take this 1 tens from ones position number and we have to add it with tens position number. So we get from here 1 tens and here is already 6 tens. So 6 tens and 1 tens. How many tens? 7 tens. So if I write here 7 tens, here how many numbers left? How many ones left? 9 ones. So 7 tens and 9 ones. We have break here ones position number and add it with tens position number. Is it clear, dear students? I think you have understood this topic clearly. Okay, dear students, now we will practice a large number of exercises from our books. And everybody look at this book, Beginner's Math. Okay, dear students, everybody open this book, page number 69. Look here, page number 69. Look, can you see? Page number 69. In this page, we will break ones position number and add it with tens position number. Okay, dear students, do get it? Very good. Let us start to do this page. So, dear students, let us start bookwork. First one is done for us. Okay, dear students, but let us discuss about it. Here is 2 tens and 18 ones. Here we have to break ones position number. In this side, how many tens we have? We have 2 tens and we get from ones position number 1 ten. So 2 and 1 make how many tens? 3 tens. Right, dear students? So now we get 3 tens and 8 ones. 3 tens and 8 ones. And with how many tens and ones we have before? We have before 2 tens and 18 ones. And now after regrouping, we get 3 tens and 8 ones. Okay, dear students. So let us do exercise number A. That means first exercise. What is here? Look, everybody. 1 tens and 17 ones. And as usual, we have to break ones position number. Which number in ones position? 17 ones. So we have to break ones position number That means we have to break 17. How can we break 17? 10 plus 7. 10 plus 7 equal to 17. So how many tens we have? We get from here 1 tens and left 7 ones. So in ones position we can write 7 ones. And from here we get 1 tens. But this side, how many tens we had? How many tens? 1 tens. Here we had 1 tens and now we get 1 tens. So equal to 1 on equal to 2 tens. So now we get 2 tens and 7 ones. Okay, next example. Here is 2 tens and 15 ones. Again, we can break 15. 10 plus 5 equal to 50. So here we also get 1 tens. And we have 1 tens and 5 ones in one position number. So we have to write 5 ones here. And we get 1 tens. Again, we add this 1 tens with the previous tens position number. So we have how many tens before? 2 tens. And we get now 1 tens equal to 2 and 1, 3 tens. So we get after regrouping 3 tens and 5 ones. Okay dear students. Now exercise number C. Here also have 3 tens and 12 ones. 12. Now we have to subtract 1 tens. So how many left? If we subtract 1 tens from 12, how many left? 2. Or we can break 12 in this way, 10 plus 2. So how many tens we get? 1 tens and we have 2 ones. So here we can write in ones position number 2 ones and we get 1 tens from here and we have to add it with previous tens number. So previous we have 3 tens and 1 tens. That means 4 tens and 2 ones. Now exercise number D. Here is 4 tens and 13 ones. We have to break 13. What can I do now? We can break in 2 ways. We can take 10 from 13, that means 1 tens, and we also can break 13 in this way, 10 plus 3, that means 13. So how many tens we get from here? 1 tens. And we have to add it with previous tens number. So previous, how many tens we have? 4 tens. So 4 and 1, 5 tens. And how many ones? 3 ones. Okay dear students, is it easy? Yes, it is very easy. We have to practice more, then it will be more and more easy and interesting also. Now exercise number E. Here is 5 tens and 19 ones. So dear students, how can we break 19? How many tens here? Let us break it. 10 plus 9 equal to 19. 10 plus 9 equal to 19. So how many tens we get? 1 tens and 9 ones. We have to keep here 9 ones and we have to take 1 tens. And in previous we have 5 tens. 5 tens and we get here 1 tens equal to 6 tens and 9 ones. Okay. Now exercise number F. Here is 6 tens and 15 ones. Similarly, we have to break 15, 10 plus 5, 15, right? Yes, and we can also subtract tens. That means 1 tens. Then we will get 5. And if we break 10 plus 5 in this way, we get 1 tens and 5. So 5 ones. We have to keep 5 ones in ones position number, and we have to take 1 tens from here and add with previous tens position number. Previous tens position number is here 6. So 6 and 1, 7. So we get 7 tens and 5 ones. Now exercise number G. Here 7 tens and 16 ones. 16 we have to break. 10 plus 6, 16. So how many tens we get here? We get 1 tens and we have 6 ones, isn't it? So 6 ones, we have to keep it in ones position number, and we get 1 tens from here. And we have to add it with tens position number. And tens position number is 7 tens, and we get 1 tens. So 7 tens and 1 tens equal 8. 8 tens and 6 ones. And last one is 8 tens and 17 ones. And we have to break 17. We get 1 tens and 7 ones. And we have to add this 1 tens with previous tens position number, and previous we have 8 tens and 1 tens. 8 tens and 1 tens, 9 tens and 7 ones. Dear students, now we have finished book page number 69. You have to do it as BCW in your book. Okay, dear students, now let us practice page number 70. In this page, we have to break tens position number. Okay, let us start. Dear students, in page number 70, we have to break tens position number. Okay, and here first one has done for us. First number is 3636, and its extended form is 3 tens and 6 ones. As we have to break tens position number, that means we have to break 3 tens. 3 tens, how can we break it? If we divide it in 2 tens and 1 tens. So 2 tens, 1 tens, that means 3 tens. We can break it in this way. And here we have to write 2 tens, and we get here 1 tens. We take how many tens? 1 tens. And we have to add it with ones position number. In ones position number we have what? 6. And we get 1 tens. That means its value is 10. 10 and 6 equal to 16. So we get from here 2 tens and 16 ones. And let us do its other examples. Okay, exercise 1. Here 72, and its extended form is 7 tens and 2 ones. 7 tens, we have to break it. 7 tens, we can break it in 5 tens and 2 ones, isn't it? 5 tens and 2 tens. That means 5 tens and 2 tens equal to 7 tens. Okay, so 5 tens we keep in tens position number 5 tens, and we take 2 tens. 2 tens mean, what is value 2 tens? 2 tens mean 20, and we have 2 in ones position number. So 20 plus 2 equal to 22. So now we get 5 tens and 22 ones. Dear students, in this way you have to do other exercises in your book. Okay? Now, I think you all have understood today's topic. Okay, dear students? Now I want to take a little test. Okay, look here. What is the number here? 36. Its extended form is 3 tens and 6 ones. If I tell you to break tens position number, what we get? We can break it. Can you say? Yes, how can we break 3 tens? Very good. I know you can. 2 tens and 1 tens. That means 3 tens. So we can write here 2 tens and we get 1 tens from here. And here is 6. So 1 tens equal 10 and 6 is 16 ones. Thank you, dear students. Now, what is the number here? Look here. What I have written? 9 tens and 14 ones. 9 tens and 14 ones. So 14 we have to break here. How can I break? 1 tens, 10 plus 4. So 4 ones, right? We can write here 4 ones and we get 1 tens from here. So 1 tens and in this side we have 9 tens. So 9 tens and 1 tens equal 10 tens. So dear students, now we get 10 tens and 4 ones. Okay, dear students, now I am going to give you homework. Look here, book page number 70. Do it in your book. Okay, it is your homework. So dear students, you have to do it nicely and you have to take its picture and send it to your teacher. That's it for today. See you again in another class. Bye bye.